Okay, good morning everybody. I just took a few short shots for a funny green screen project. It's a little bit interactive, but not for you. But it's sort of interactive green screen I'm going to make. So I hope it all works out. I have some other ideas with some matches. Go. YouTube set. Kill a bird. Ja, nee, ik zal hem mij laten pakken. It's around freezing temperature right now. Getting cold, but the sun is shining. I'm on my way back home from a match. We had to play against Roda. In the first half we had a penalty and we scored in the penalty, so that's 1-0 for us. Oh, want some attention? You lose. Oh, it's funky. Oh, back. Ooh. I'm also working on a shout out for the Templemans. You have to go and see them in Templeman stills. Go and watch them, I swear. You would like it. So, not far from home now. So I'll see you in a bit.